Let's convert 557 base 10 to base 7. Solution. To do this, we divide repeatedly by 7 until further division is no longer possible. And to do that, we draw a table like this. We place our 557 at this side. Then the base we are converting into 7 at the other side. Then we divide. 7 goes in 55. That's 7, which is 49. When you take away 49 from 55, we have 6. 7 goes in 67. You have 9, which is 63. Remainder 4. Divide again by 7. 7. 7 goes in 79. 7 goes in 7, 1. 7 goes in 9. That's 1. Remainder 2. Divide again by 7. 7 goes in 11. We have 1. Remainder 4. We divide again by 7. 7 goes in 1. You have 0. Remainder 1. Now we take the remainders upwards. Therefore, our 557 base 10 equals 1, 4, 2, 4 base 7. And that's how to convert 557 base 10 to base 7. Thank you.